It is 5 in the morning. Today is about to have its ass handed to it. It doesn't even stand a chance. Also, look at these clouds. These clouds look like something out of a painting. These honeysuckles sound. Maybe. I might be the one in trouble. Not gonna lie. Sound. These things smell amazing. Every time you walk by on the deck, you just get this. Look what we get to play with today. This thing is a monster. Alrighty, let's go break some rock.